about how can I not put this stuff up? How can I get out of this?
Yeah, I was just thinking.
Good morning, family. Welcome back to Vlogtober. I don't know what day we're on, so we'll leave that part out. But good morning. Let's get our camera woes out first thing this morning. Yesterday I was talking about the battery. I did some research. Turns out these batteries only last 45 to 70 minutes. So that is not a user error. Where's your slime? There's some in the laundry pantry. So that is not a user error. Everything else might have been a user error, but that has not been. So 45 to 70 minutes. So I do think I'm gonna buy another charger. I found one that can charge while on the go. So like you charge it up, you put the batteries in it and it charges the batteries. So I think I'm gonna get that one just so when I'm out and about, because they only last, I have 4 batteries that essentially will get me 4 hours of shooting time. So makes sense that my batteries kept dying yesterday. No cookie right now. You have to eat breakfast first. Y'all, I did my morning pages this morning and I was like, okay, let's get it. I'm ready. I'm ready for the day. And it's so funny, even in my morning pages I wrote, you're probably gonna step on some gum today. It's more than likely gonna happen. But just focus. So that's what I'm trying to do, because it is 9:30? No, what is it? 9:07. And I've already had 2 things where I'm just like, ugh. Anyway, breakfast is cooking. Kids are up. Technology time. I am supposed to be doing some stuff for planning for school, so I think I'm gonna go upstairs and work on that while breakfast finishes up. I really want to move my computer. Let's walk and talk, shall we, so I can print this stuff. I really want to move my computer out of my little closet office area. I kind of want to bring it downstairs because I have my laptop, and so whenever I want to work, in my room, I could technically do it on my laptop. But sometimes I want to work on my bed computer, but I don't necessarily want to be cramped up in this tiny space. So I feel like I want to move it out, but I don't know where I would put it downstairs. That, my friends, is the problem. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to print off whatever sheets we need for today, if any, because I might not need any today. Every time I open Google, it needs to be updated. Like literally every time. It's like it updates every day. Are y'all having that go on with y'all Google situation? But yeah, my day has started off crazy. So now I'm like, I was gonna show y'all a day with school with us, and maybe I still will. But my day started off so crazy that I'm like, Did we do this already? Got these papers printed. Now I need to figure out. See if our breakfast is done. Oh, it's done. I got an email that said it has a dentist appointment on October 23rd. So I need to add that to my planner. I need to add that to my planner because I sure did not realize it. So I'm thinking I could either put the computer in this corner right here, where my gumball machine is maybe, or I'm thinking I don't want to put it, I was like, oh, maybe I could put it right here where that basket is, but this is such a high traffic area. Somebody's sitting there, they're gonna be in the way. So then I was like, well, I have this little sitting area, maybe I could put it here and, you know, move like one of my chairs or something. But honestly, I sit there so much that I don't want to do that either. So I'm at a loss, y'all. I'm at a lost. I don't know, whatever. But I do know for a fact that I want to bring it down here. I just have to figure out where I can put it where I'm out in the open. Because I have the office over there. I initially thought I was going to sit in that room and do a lot of work. But I realized I don't like being like in a like secluded office area, if that makes sense. Like I like to be in open airy spaces unless I'm in my room. So yeah, it's weird. I can't explain it. So like I don't like working in that office upstairs, and I feel like I'm away, the kids are doing stuff and I can't see what's going on, and I don't like that either. So another reason I feel like I need to be out in the open. So I'm gonna think about this all day, and when I find a spot, I'll show y'all what I came up with. I already cut it, but breakfast essentially.
Mommy, work. Joey, what? Don't get Mommy, take it out.
Take it out.
And there was two.
Breakfast quiche. That's what we're having this morning. Must be 45 minutes because my battery is gonna die. Let's go get it. We are about to eat breakfast. It is 10 o'clock. The kids should start filing out of the rooms to come get their breakfast. I cannot say that I've had a productive morning, y'all. Even though I guess it kind of has been productive. Breakfast has made all the things. But I had two things happen this morning that was kind of like, why? I was trying to derail my day. You know how that goes, and that happened before 9. Yes, baby. So I was like, will not be discouraged. I will not be discouraged. Let's press on. Press on. The thing about Trice, y'all, is he is relentless. So he will cry until he literally wears you down to get what he wants. Yes. Okay, you need to eat breakfast first. And it's not really even him crying. Like, he's not like full out. He just does that, you know, what you hear him doing in the background. So no matter how many times you explain, like, Trice, this is what we need, he just continues. And, yeah, come get y'all plates. Trice, you have to eat first. Somebody tell 11 to come eat. And Phoenix. Why is Phoenix not here yet?
He said he gets an extra hour and 30.
No, he got that yesterday. He got that yesterday. Phoenix. Your hour and 30 minutes is not today. We already had our extra time yesterday. Now, don't he look so cute with his little ponytails? He said he doesn't feel well. Don't he look so cute? He said, I'll keep my hair like this as long as I don't have to go out in public. Because I look like a girl. I was like, but you're so cute.
Blowing up the whole building. There was still people in there. The whole building collapsed. And that was it. I destroyed all of it with my ball.
Okay, we're going to take a break at Elephant, okay?
Okay.
Go eat your breakfast.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very
What
good.
is this?
Salsa.
Is
You
that-
like salsa. It's not hot salsa. It's just regular salsa. Here. Yes. Go take it. Here, let me get you a fork.
You cut it. You cut it. I really.
Yes. For my family that's been here for a while, y'all remember when 11 was just like a terror? He has done like a complete 360. Like his little brain has clicked and matured tremendously. And it's like the moment he clicked and changed, Trice like kicked into gear and became the new one. Yes, baby. I don't know what that means. Can you please eat your breakfast? Okay, we'll try. And the thing is, y'all, he was fine this morning. We played with slime and we bonded, and he was such a good boy. And now it's like, why are you being this way? Here, tell everybody why you're upset. What's wrong? What do you want? What? Ketchup? I don't know what that is. Can you use your words? What? This? What is this? Say juice. Does Matt have some juice? You need to ask. juice. Say, can I have juice, please? You want it? Say, can I have some juice, please? Ooh, yeah. Harper, do you want more?
Yes, please.
Give me your plate. The fact that I haven't even sat down yet and y'all already coming up here for seconds is proof that y'all ate way too fast. I'm gonna need y'all to slow it down.
I need one ketchup. Just ketchup. Ooh.
Here, Charlie, give me your plate
Got it.
in a minute.
Hey, I'm using your ketchup.
That is enough for everybody.
Oh my goodness, it just popped out.
I hope you like it.
It just popped out. Okay, I wasn't meaning to get this much.
Rinse your plate, babe. Put it in the dishwasher. Came and stuck the spoon down in the sauce, y'all.
I'm sorry. You okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then we'll go downstairs. Do I have food on my face, y'all? Sometimes I'll be editing. I'll be like, I had food all over my face.
Mommy.
Okay, stop lying, 11. Put that in the dishwasher. No. What was it? Yesterday? Day before? Y'all heard me say, 11, stop playing upstairs. And he was like, oh, downstairs floor is hard. Now that I'm down here doing school, let's see. Okay, let's clean up if he plays down here. Because essentially what it really is wherever I am, is where he must be. Has nothing to do with a hard or soft surface. So we're gonna read Life of Fred. Normally, I read this while they're eating breakfast. And that is when I myself have had breakfast. Actually, this might be a distraction. I need to close that. So we're gonna read that first. The time is 10:30. We left off on math, so we are picking up in language arts today. So that is where we are for our loop. And who's wiping this table off? Okay, go upstairs and play. Hey.
Not in the Harper's art room.
Oh, yes it is.
No, it's not.
Why?
Because they destroyed the room already. They had Lego all over.
Yes, it's also a playroom.
But you hate when we have our room dirty.
What? In the sitting room?
In our room.
No, I said in the sitting room. Not in y'all room. A right angle is.
It's a corner in a square.
That's correct. And what about an horizontal number?
Horizontal number?
Yes.
Oh, third, second,
That's
third.
correct. What about a cardinal number?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's correct. It's a perpendicular line.
I'm pretty sure that's like a line that's like straight.
That's correct. Meanwhile, Fred is counting the ants. 2004, 2005, 2006, and he was starting to feel sleepy. He got up and headed down the hallway to the restroom where he kept his bathroom stuff. Name a number bigger than quintillion, Charlie.
Quintillion of what?
Good. Yes, 11.
Where's Daddy?
He's in Alabama. So inactive means you're not active, which means, what does active mean?
You mean you're like doing something, you're like, your body's active.
Exactly, Major. You're doing something. So if you're inactive in swimming, you're not swimming.
Pick the ones I fixed all the stuff, or
Yeah, you can leave it or you can fix it. I already got your grade.
I let you
It's up
grab
to you.
And then you grabbed it.
What is it?
I feel depressed.
Good. I'm depressed. Major, what's another way you can say you feel sad?
You don't love this country. This country has no love for you. This is the edge of Alaska.
I said that earlier.
Yeah, you just said give you the top.
Yeah, because you and 11 were fighting over them.
You done. I don't know if I did it right, because that part, like,
You forgot my closet. Yes, that was right. Essentially, you were.
I thought that's like, this was for, I thought I wasn't supposed to put this in a sentence, because it
Yeah,
was
you
already,
didn't put my. No, you did this before.
okay, so I was supposed to put that in.
Yes, I love my huge smoky bed because essentially you're writing a topic sentence for each of these.
Okay.
But yes, you do this tomorrow. You don't have to do this one today. Phoenix, are you ready for lunch? On the phone with Verizon yet again. I've had so many issues over the last month, and they said what it is I have a car line on my account. So that car line is causing the error to come up. Forgot my camera, y'all, in the midst of all the commotion. But here we are, me and Sydney thrifting. We're back at Local Dive to see what they have. Oh, they don't have the $5 sale anymore.
The back $5?
Yeah.
What the?
Oh, boo. She's in the fitting room. Look, she's gonna get this sweater, which is cute.